Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakongsan mentaka sengi kilong. Hatu sensyar ki buat nyam Hindu ya ke sorkar ha Assam. Pelilat jengarap Menteri Rangba lengba CM Elevate Scheme. Penliam ke Shillong Soccer Scouts R Laiway ya ke Mirinda FC Badra eka song bisa khatsan hajar tengka. Raknam Champion Super Division ka Klik Mauli YC but First Division ka Nongspan FD ha NDSA. Tomantai ne pai shaki Khubor ki bakambania. Kidak kishin kila pau syai kedar ha ke Jylla Thor Assam baya ke sorkar Assam la sensyar de ki kenhun buat niam Hindu ha ka ba usatya Ranjan Bora nongalam ka seng Kutumba Suraksha Parishad ula penmi hukum lengba ka jing perbena press conference ha ka nyau terik Rymphang ha Guwahati ha ka ba ula aipor khatsan sngi ban wenglut yaki durmot jong ujisu kiriu khoj na ki skul ba penyat ki niam Kristan khamtam yaki ba penyat de ki kenhun ka balang Katolik uni ubrieu ubalakam ba ude unong yalam jong ka seng ula hukum me ki phadar bar ki sestar nangne shakmat ba kimdei ban phong ne riam da ki jan reuniam jong ki henrei kin phong da ki jan pat ba dakane ka hukum lada ki reuniam ki ko ongu yaki ken kala sopdung ha ki babon ki jing pharap kam sniu persha e ki reuniam ha ba ki mi shabar jong ki atat compound ne yeng mane hana uni unoyalam kanika seng buat niam Hindu ula aipor khatsan sngi ban sedang pentrekam ya kanika hukum jong u ula pharap baki Hindu ki brat no ya ki jinget jongki bat ki kala kristano tang shio I liak ya karyam ka bet jongki phadar ki sestar haba jubab ya kane ka jing berngam Archbishop ka Guwahati Archdiocese Most Reverend Archbishop John Mulachira ula ong kini kijing berngam kidei ki babakla bat ngin wat kilat kilenti kumno banyo jingada na kum kitei ki riu shitnyam hagaju kapor ngila ong ki phadar bat ki sestar ban nam riam me ki jan riunyam jongki kat hadu bandayo jingshai bat jingada na ki bor sensyar jong ka sorkar Assam kumban pentip shikinong Peit joka channel dbmnTv Nadu baka BJP kala sensyar ha Assam lami bon kum kini ki jing pentrim yaki Kristan ki badentang lai point nyau pusau persen na ki lai puwei million ngut ki nong snong jong ka Jylla Assam Menteri Rangba Konrad ke Sangma ula plelat arpho hajar ngut ki briu ki basdang yaki kam lajong da ka jingerap baiseng na CM Elevate ha ka jingkran ple jong u yaka Prime Megapreneur Expo Shillong ha ka khandai terik Rymphang Uloong baka sorkar kan bay pisa hadu 90% yakitu kiba sedang ban kamai lengba ki mati lajong. Amduna saw pongut ki briu kiba layo jingerap pisa naga CM Elevate haka khandai terik Rymphang ban sedangnya laki kam lajong. Kum ki pung jempa, ki gymnasia, futsal ground, madan basketball bat kiwei kilat kamai kaji. Kini ki jo ki jingerap lasam chikipat ba nongrep ban tei kudam ki yengsa jong ki nong yaj suwari ki kali ramdor ban kit turis bar bon ki wei pat ki lat kamai kaji
and as the saying goes that it is very difficult to beat a person who never gives up and that's really the essence of entrepreneurship it's very difficult to beat a person who can never give up or who never gives up so an entrepreneur never gives up an entrepreneur is a person who will face many difficulties you will come up from those difficulties, you will improve yourself and you will become a better person and a better businessman and a better entrepreneur. And that's because you will believe in what you do. Because you have a passion in what you're doing. It's because you know that your idea is great. Yes, your challenges are there, but the idea is great and you never give up. And that's really what a true entrepreneur is. And hence my last message and the most important message to all of you is no matter what challenges and difficulties come along your way, a true entrepreneur is a person who will face those challenges, will never give up and will 100% strive towards achieving success. And that's what we are here to award today. We are here to award you, we reward you and give you awards because we believe that each one of you deserves a pat on the back. We believe each one of you has proved that you are a shining example of an individual who will never give up. You will be role models for the rest of the youngsters who will look up to you and say, I would like to be like that person.
After Iman B. Sangma, I'd like to call forward Shri Winning G. Sangma. Shri Winning G. Sangma. After Shri Winning G. Sangma, I'd like to call upon Shri Prangsrang D. Sangma. Pangsrang D. Sangma. After Shri Pangsrang D. Sangma, I'd like to call upon Shri Willipson T. Sangma. Willipson T. Samma, and finally Srimati Prebalin Marak.
Next we have Salcharam IVCS Limited. Next is Mendima IVCS Limited. Next we have Mendima IVCS Limited. Next we have Darugri Chikkama IVCS Limited. And in this category, the last is Development of Rural Agriculture Farmers Organization.
Moving on to the next category, we have the Prime Agriculture Response Vehicle Scheme. We start off with Pre-Dolin Case Imle.
Haka jingya kun final jongka under 16 tournament ka balong haka shipau tarik Rymphang Hamadan Polo balapan ya da ka Shillong Sport Association. Ka Shillong Soccer Scouts kalara ya ka nam ladu da ka bapan lim ya ka Mirinda FC da ka Arkol Laiway. Haka ka last step ka Shillong Soccer Scout kalapan ki jar haka minute ka balai pulai leng bau Newbird Son Singli. Tang hadin ka tu ka ni minute Mirinda FC kalapan pai kala ya ka gol haka minute ka balai bu nyo lengba u meban kit lang maulong. Ka jingya kun ban yo ra ya ka nam job kalapan long ya ka madan ban leng o thui haka ba ki kertong na baro arliang kila sei bor ban penlut ya ka bol sa ka jar jong kaliang persya. Kinong pet kai ki ba kershan ya la ka jong kaliang kila sei ya kisur berten kisur leng a bar kisur kenshi ya ka drama ki ba kioi hamadan. Haka kelamit ke Shillong Soccer Scout kalayo ya ka kabu ban penki biang ya ka jar jong ka Mirinda FC haka sin ka ba ar haka minute ka ba sauhu pra lengba u prosper well rentong. Hadu ki minute bakhadu ka thong kalane arko laiway syakaliang joka Shillong Soccer Scouts bat lapen bena ki kertong ya lek kai jong ka kila ra ya ka nam ladu. Lasa meki khusnam pisa bat trofi da u president Shillong Sport Association ba Eugene Lengdo bat kinongkit kam ke SSE. La ada kasong pisa khat ar hajar tengka ya kala adu bat Mirinda kala rong hinyau hajar san spa tengka. Kasama yalekai juga Lumpung Nongstoin District Sport Association NDSA Premier League Football Tournament Arhajar Arphulai hadu Arphusau haka kerdan first but Super Division kalapoi chekabakut haka kerdan Super Division yakanam lado lakur daka klik mauli Youth Club kadba haka kerdan First Division layo bankur daka Nongstoin FT habapai chekajingya kun bakhadu jangka Super Division kabala long hapadeng ka klik mauli YC persya ya ka pendeng rei SC kala long kaba itenat bha hakaba ka jingya kun hapadeng kite ki artli ki kunhun kala kutno hapadeng ka jingya khat klem da don bayo thep kul haba khen da ki pon ka klik mauli kala yo hadu arphulai pon kadba ka pendeng rei SC kala yo tang arphau pon kadba haka jingya kun haka kerdan First Division kalong hapadeng ka Nongstoin FT persya ya ka mauyong pendeng rei ka Nongstoin FT kalayo ban kur ya ka nam la adu hadin bakala la ban penliem ya ka mauyong pendeng rei sankol la saukol leng ba ka tie breaker hadin ka jingya khat ar la ar ka jingya kun final kalalong hakate ka juhi ka sngi hamadan NDSA nong pendeng haka First Division ya ka nam best player layo da urishan dabbor Marwen jong ka Nongstoin FT best goalkeeper penshaibok karet na mauyong pendengrai SC kadba ya kan nam emerging player layo da u Evershine Karbani jong ka Nongstoin FT kadba haka Super Division ya kan nam best player kalet cha usil banus dengan na Upper New Nongstoin best goalkeeper layo da u Klan Borlang Walang na ka pendengrai SC top scorer layo da u Living Nongrang nakakli mauli YC kadba ya kan nam emerging player kalet che uban kerlang lengkoi nakati saw pengkelut SC hakasingi penkut ladon lang kinongkit kam ke NDSA kentup ya uba BS Carlor president ba MT Gordon Marngar secretary Dr LL Mausor chairman football committee ba GJL Sangriang bat kiwe kibalasa miki busket syakinong yalekai.
Ya kakenhun kata wei hadin wei pat sngop haban man syem ya kini ki medal sru kumju.
Menteri Rangba Konrad ke Sangma ulapli hakashipau terik ya karkhana red ban penslem ya kerta kijhur kenang bakinong rep kinom du ya kijhur bat kiso habala dei kapor ot bat kapor baki i kamtam habaka yo ka Jylla da kini ki marep haka ayom baki mi hakani ka karkhana penerta la ban tengka ya kini ki marep katu ni tayo hadu ba kinduna hayo hahan bat kadoru kelanang kiyo kani kan long kajing mento ya kipat nong rep hakilum garu hakani ka karkhana la ban penlang hadu shispa ton kijhur bat kiso ya kani ka karkhana red lashna hakajing lut kabakan jo shaka khatsau point san klur tengka batla antat kan yarap amduna shipau hajar ngut kinong rep Menteri Rangba uloong baka sorkar kathmu bantei kumbasan pautli kum kini ki karkhana red ban yarap ya kinong rep hakaleng ka Jylla pada kitu ki Khubor ngilapoi shaka bakun tar hadu bangin daya syambiang Khublai Shibun